Ever notice how studying sounds productive until we actually start doing it? We open the book with full confidence, like, this time I'll study for real. 5 minutes later, we're reorganizing our pens, creating a new study plan, and suddenly Googling how to focus for more than 7 seconds. We always start with rituals, like cleaning the desk, because obviously the dust was the reason we failed last time. We arrange our books in perfect order, make color-coded notes, grab snacks, turn on study music, and after all that effort, we realize we've already spent 1 hour preparing to study. But not actually studying, and if we somehow do start reading, the brain goes, wait, didn't we forget to check our phone? Then comes the classic part, fake productivity. We highlight every single line like we're decorating a Christmas tree. We make study schedules that look like NASA's launch plan: 6 a.m., wake up, 6:05, revise, 6:10, change the world. By the way, we never follow it. The schedule exists only to make us feel smart for 10 minutes, and the moment we finally feel focused, someone in the house yells, "Dinner's ready. Thanks, Mom, my motivation just expired." Let's talk about group study. We call our friends and say, "Let's study together, we'll help each other." 10 minutes later, we're all laughing at memes and somehow arguing about which subject is useless. By the end, we've studied nothing but have a PhD in procrastination. Oh, and those study breaks? Yeah, they last longer than the actual study session. We tell ourselves, I'll take a 5-minute break, and next thing we know, it's dark outside, we've watched 4 YouTube videos, and started questioning life decisions. Then the panic hits. The night before the exam, our brains suddenly become spiritual. We promise the universe, if I pass, I'll change my life. We pray, drink coffee like medicine, read notes at the speed of light, even though our brain left the chat 3 hours ago. Every paragraph feels like a puzzle written by aliens. We read one line and instantly forget it. We keep rereading the same sentence like it's going to magically make sense on the 5th try. Then comes the best part, exam day. We wake up early, full of hope, and open the first question like, yep, I've never seen this in my entire life. The brain starts buffering. We try to remember what we studied, but all that comes up is random song lyrics and the urge to sleep. After the exam, we promise, never again will I study last minute. And then, 2 weeks later, guess who's doing it again? Yep, we never learn. Logic fails, where smart meets dumb.